In a world that moves at the speed of data, staying ahead means embracing a new way of working. At Classic Fashion Apparels, we're not just manufacturing garments. We're building the future through a complete digital transformation. Our vision is to be a leader in data-driven manufacturing. This is powered by real-time data connectivity and advanced analytics, all working together through artificial intelligence. We have already made significant progress. So far, we've implemented 6 out of 9 modules, digitalized over 314 production lines, and connected more than 12,000 devices across our network. With over 112 live business intelligence dashboards, our teams have the power of data in their hands. This commitment to digital systems and data analytics is empowering our employees and helping us operate with unmatched efficiency. Our digital journey is always evolving. We are working on smart solutions to optimize every part of our operations, from managing finished goods and streamlining our warehouse, to creating a smarter way to handle machine maintenance. This technology is everywhere, even in our lab and our cutting room. This isn't just about software and devices. It's about a new, smarter way of creating. With every step of our digital transformation, we're proving that at Classic Fashion Apparels, a touch changes everything.